This is Hitachi's 1 3/4 inch coil roofing nailer, the NV45AB2. It drives wire collated nails from 7/8 to 1 3/4 inches in length. This coil roofing nailer is the ideal pneumatic tool for construction work, such as installation of asphalt roofing shingles and the installation of insulation boards. It has been rigorously tested in the most extreme of roofing environments, and it works. No matter what the weather is, you can count on that. This is partly because it uses a cylinder valve driving mechanism. The advantage is faster actuation and fewer moving parts. With less plastic and fewer components to break or get damaged, there's basically less that can go wrong. Hitachi's carbide-tipped push lever design lengthens the life. By preventing uneven roof wear on the nose, it sits evenly on the work surface for accurately placed and flat set nails. It's got toolless depth of drive adjustment that comes in handy for precision nailing and flush driving. Once you grab hold of the NV45AB2, you will notice how lightweight it is at only 5.5 pounds. A huge advantage to reduce fatigue after you've been using this nailer for extended periods. The side load magazine can hold around 120 nails for quick and easy reloads. There is also a bottom load magazine available if that is your preference, model NV45AB2S. The long-lasting rubber grip on the handle adds comfort and a secure hold. Additionally, that same rubber is used on pads on the body of the tool to prevent it from sliding off the roof when it's not in use. The NV45AB2 can drive both sequentially and continuously. All you need to do is change the order of operation. For sequential fire, simply depress the push lever, then pull the trigger. For continuous fire, or bump mode, pull the trigger, then depress the push lever. This roofing nailer comes with Hitachi's 5-year tool warranty for peace of mind, along with safety glasses and 3 and 4 mm hex bar wrenches.